Did you ever imagine that digging into an AI's source code could reveal not just secrets, but Easter eggs? Like a digital Tamagotchi pet, or even an always-on agent that never sleeps? This is exactly what happened. When Anthropic, the creator of Claude, had a major leak of its inner workings, the secrets inside are massive. Before we dive deep, remember to smash that like button and subscribe for more breaking tech news. Now, let's get started. Recently, after Anthropic rolled out the 2.188 update for Claude Code, users started poking around the files. What they found was explosive, a package that included something called a source map file. This was the blueprint. If you're not super techy, source maps are like blueprints for code, often used to help developers debug. But this contained the heart of Claude's actual TypeScript codebase, more than 512,000 lines of code sitting right there. The leak seems to have been accidental. Someone bundled the actual TypeScript codebase right into the update. Within hours, people online were flipping through this treasure trove. Users on X were quick to sound the alarm. What did people actually find? It's not just a peek behind the curtain, it's a look into the future of AI. Researchers digging into the leak quickly found references to upcoming features that weren't announced publicly yet. First, there was code for a Tamagotchi-style pet buried inside. Yes, a digital pet for your coding environment. Imagine logging into Code and having a little virtual companion to interact with. It's whimsical and creative. This suggests Anthropic's team is thinking outside the box about how users might connect with AI on a personal level. But the surprises didn't end there. Users also found evidence of something much more serious: an always-on agent. Think of it as your AI assistant that never takes a break, constantly running in the background, ready to help. This means real-time assistance whenever you code, debug, or brainstorm. It's like having a co-pilot who never sleeps. An assistant that knows every programming language and never calls in sick. This is a game changer for productivity. Digging further, the code also included Anthropic's internal instructions for the Claude AI bot itself. If you've wondered why these bots seem so human, it comes down to careful instructions and prompt engineering. These scripts guide how the bot behaves, what it can say, and what it should avoid. They are usually closely guarded. Now, curious eyes everywhere are dissecting them for insight into how these models can be further improved. One more real game changer? This leak shined a light on how Claude's memory actually works. Memory architecture determines how well the program can remember past interactions over long periods. By examining the code, users spotted how Anthropic handles past queries and manages context efficiently. In the future, that could mean much smarter tech that actually remembers what you need for weeks or longer. Leaks like this can accelerate innovation. Competitors and researchers can now see exactly how the sausage is made. Beyond the features, leaks like this act as an involuntary open sourcing event. They bridge the gap between trillion-parameter proprietary models and accessible local AI development. Following similar leaks in the past, the open source community achieved optimizations in weeks that corporate teams estimated would take years, allowing massive models to run on consumer hardware. From a legal standpoint, this is a crisis. Under trade secret law, information must be kept secret through reasonable efforts to remain protected. This leak might have shattered that shield. Once a secret is publicly disclosed, even accidentally, it can lose protection permanently. Anthropic may struggle to sue competitors who implement the orchestration logic found in these files. Then there's the copyright vacuum. The US Copyright Office maintains that purely machine-generated code is ineligible for protection, leaving a massive trail of unresolved questions about ownership. Anthropic's response involved issuing thousands of takedown notices, but many were legitimate forks containing no leaked data. This highlights the difficulty of automated IP enforcement in a modern landscape. This isn't just Anthropic. Over 65% of top AI companies have experienced verified secret leaks on platforms like GitHub, involving API keys, tokens, and proprietary training data. The real competition is shifting. Internal industry memos suggest that proprietary moats are drying up, forcing companies to compete on execution and ecosystem rather than hidden source code. This transparency brings positive leaps forward, but also potential risks if bad actors start manipulating what they find. Companies often scramble to plug leaks and patch vulnerabilities. We've seen this pattern many times before. But make no mistake, this accidental transparency gives us a rare glimpse at where AI development is truly headed. Let's talk about that Tamagotchi again. It's more than a toy, it's about the gamification of professional tools. Gamification helps reduce developer burnout and makes long hours of coding feel more engaging and less isolated. For business leaders, this leak reveals the next phase of enterprise AI, highly personalized, always active agents. For firms in legal or engineering, understanding these inner workings is critical for protecting your own intellectual property. Claude's memory architecture could soon allow it to remember specific project standards across your entire organization. This persistent memory translates directly into organizational ROI as the AI learns and adapts to your specific workflows. The leak also shows how Anthropic manages technical debt, providing a masterclass in modern code-based organization. The big takeaway, today's AI tools aren't just about algorithms, they're about personality and user experience. Whether it's the pet that keeps you company or the agent ready at a moment's notice, the future is incredibly creative. The real story is how AI companies must rethink transparency and build deeper user trust through creativity. Does this leak make the tech community excited or nervous? Every thought counts, so leave a comment below. If you want to keep up with wild stories like this, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives. Check out the video linked in the corner for more jaw-dropping innovations you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching. Stick around for the next big tech breakthrough. We'll see you in the next one.